Hey guys, Jacqueline Kreider here, PBJ Mortgage. Make it to mortgage simple as making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Let's talk a little bit about credit scores that are needed for a mortgage and whether or not you can get a mortgage if your credit score is not perfect, okay? So first of all, people believe that you've gotta have a 720 FICO score or above to be able to get a mortgage, and that's simply just not true. So understand that mortgages can be obtained all the way down to credit scores sometimes in the high or even mid 500 range. Okay, there are products out there that do exist for lower credit score clients, and a lot of them are not bad products. So in an ideal world, do you have a perfect credit score? Sure, absolutely. And if you have all the time in the world, then absolutely you can work towards that perfect credit score. As I've talked in some videos in the past, you know, sometimes you want to be able to get into a home ASAP. You don't want to miss out on the equity that you could be achieving, the fact that you can own a home versus renting a home, all these kinds of things. So now you're asking yourself, okay, but I don't have perfect credit, so can I actually buy? And the answer is that yes, in a lot of cases you can actually buy, right? So go ahead, talk to a mortgage professional and let us take a look. Understand that a lot of times the reason people talk about FHA being a first-time home buyer choice is because of the fact that FHA, VA, USDA, all of these government loans are a little bit more forgiving on the credit side. So you don't have to have the most perfect credit score to be able to apply for these loan choices, right? They are not bad loan choices at all. Sometimes you might still get a little bit better of a deal if you had a perfect credit score on conventional. But then again, you have to weigh out the options of, okay, my credit's not perfect, this is the kind of loan I can get myself into. And then while you're in the loan, you can actually work to improve that credit and get us to a point where we can look to potentially refinance you into a different product type. So just because you don't have perfect credit, again, does not mean that you can't buy a house. What it means is that we need to take a look, we need to dig in, we need to see if there's anything that we can do to maybe adjust your credit quickly. So sometimes you can make a couple of small credit tweaks and we can actually pop up your score. Sometimes it may need some more long-term work, but we can still get you into a home while you're working on getting that credit kind of repaired and handled, right? So don't count yourself out if you don't have the most perfect credit score. We still can work with you and work through that. So reach out to a mortgage professional. We would love, myself and my team would love to speak to you and understand what your unique credit situation is and see what we could go ahead and qualify for you. Go ahead and click subscribe to watch more videos that can help you understand exactly what it looks like when getting a mortgage.